Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to cut and eat aloe vera in a proper way. I know there are a lot of videos on YouTube how to eat aloe vera, but do you know there is a proper way to eat it, otherwise it causes side effects. As we all know, aloe vera is good for health because of its amazing properties like it is antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic and it contains lots of antioxidants. As you can see, I cut a chunk of aloe vera leaf, and can you see there is yellow dripping gel on it? Don't eat it as it causes side effects. Now take aloe vera gel out of the leaf. For this, remove spiky bits first and do the same thing on the other side. And then peel the skin off. Whilst peeling, make sure you haven't left any green leafy part on it. And now to take gel out, you can use spoon, but I'm using knife here. Once you got the gel, don't eat it directly, as it causes side effects, because there is still yellow jelly substance on it, and that's the reason we clean it. For this, take a bowl of water and clean it. Repeat this process for 7 times. And then mash it and make it into a chunky paste. And then add a half a teaspoon of cumin powder and a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well and eat it. I know it doesn't look great, but believe me, you can see wonders after eating aloe vera for 45 days. Take this in the morning on empty stomach. Once you eat it, don't drink or eat anything for 45 minutes to an hour. And I think now you got to know how to eat aloe vera. I'm going to tell about aloe vera health benefits in my next video. I hope my video has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.